Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're all well. Today we'll talk about what is Milky Way galaxy. But first, let us understand what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and the dark matter. And astronomers assume that there are about or approximately 100 to 200 billion galaxies that exist in the observable universe. And some of the examples of the galaxies are Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxy, which is our galaxy because our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. So now let's move on to the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is a large disc-shaped galaxy that includes our solar system. And if we talk about its structure, then it is a spiral galaxy. It is shaped like a disc. It has a bulge in the center and it has arms that spiral outwards as the galaxy rotates. Its main arms are four, known as the Perseus arm, Sagittarius arm, Centaurus arm, and the Cygnus arm. And our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, in the minor arm of the Milky Way galaxy, which is named the Orion spur or the Orion arm. And it is estimated that there are around 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. That also includes our sun. And sun takes around 250 million years to orbit around the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way galaxy has a huge diameter that is around 1 lakh light years. And if we talk about the formation of existence of the Milky Way galaxy, then the scientists claim that it formed around 13.7 billion years ago. And the area that is occupied by the Milky Way galaxy is known as the galactic plane. It is important to note that our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy and it is about 300,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. And the solar system is in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy, which is the minor arm of the Milky Way galaxy. And the nearest galaxy to Milky Way is known as the Andromeda. And scientists believe that after some years or sometime in future, these both galaxies, Andromeda and Milky Way, will collide to form a single galaxy, and they have also named it and called it as Milkomeda. And it is believed that at the center of the Milky Way galaxy, there is a massive black hole. And for your information, a black hole is a massive object or region in space that is so dense that it does not allow anything to escape from it, not even light. So this was all about the Milky Way galaxy. It is an important topic, so you must cover this topic and remember the important features of the Milky Way galaxy. And obviously don't forget to make the diagram. Okay, now next topics will be discussed in our next videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.